Look at that profile. Right, hey y'all, can y'all hear me? It's Memorial Day. And what street am I on? 7. Am I going the right direction? Am I going up or down? Oh, I'm not going the right direction. I gotta go up. Right, I decided to come outside because nobody was having no cookouts. And I felt like some hibachi. And I feel like nobody's really out here in these streets right now because of the holiday. Some people probably working, some people probably away on vacation, how I should be. Soon come, soon come. But yeah, so that's what I'm about to do. I'm gonna just check it out and see. If it's crowded, I'm not going inside because I don't feel like being around people. I'll probably try to find something that is not crowded. Thank you. I just put lip gloss on, y'all. Pop champagne. Well, pop Prosecco. I need to find a stand. They playing Cassie in the background. You can't handle it. I got Prosecco with some peach flavoring. Cheers, y'all. Happy Memorial Day. No one throws cookouts. I'm gonna start throwing my own cookout. So you wanna come see me? I'm probably not gonna be able to keep y'all on because, hold on. Right, y'all gotta see this. Hold on. Right, I had to turn the light on for y'all so y'all could see. This is nice. Let's eat it. Right, first off, look at that bottle. You see the soy sauce bottle? Isn't it so cute? But yeah, I decided to do a voiceover because the background is extremely too busy. But yeah, these were like deep fried shrimp rolls, right? It was stuffed with rice, avocado, and I believe some seaweed. And then it's like wrapped in smoked salmon. It was really good. And then the sauce on top of it, I want to say it was like a sriracha mayo. It was really, really good. I killed this plate. Probably only had like maybe 2 or 3 pieces left once I was done, but it was good. This hibachi spot is really good. I will put all of the information in the description box. It's really nice. It's intimate. They were lit in there. You can hear some of my background, which was upstairs where they actually cooked the food fresh in front of you. I chose to, stay downstairs and be tucked in the, in the cut, in the VIP section. But yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. BRB. I bodied this, y'all. It was good. I'm gonna chill because I want to eat my other food. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I'm having a good time, but I need to be on a yacht. Twerking, talking about Lululemon or something. Be manifesting that. Give it up to me. I do give them that they playing like cookout music. But yeah. The body's bodying. Okay, so the food came out. I had ordered some shrimp, some fried rice. Those are the two sauces that they give you on the side. And I had some teriyaki salmon with some sauteed vegetables, which was broccoli, mushrooms, and onions, and a little bit of garlic. All right, so it's time to taste it and see what we hitting for. Hold on, let me see. The food was really good. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. It was good. It was fresh. It was hibachi. It was exactly what I was looking for. So here's a point of view of my plate. So that's the fried rice, the shrimps, that's the mushrooms, the tender broccoli. The broccoli was so tender. The salmon was really good. The teriyaki sauce was hitting. It was really good. I enjoyed it. I'll also, like I said, leave all of the information below in this description box so you guys can check them out. And yeah, I enjoyed this. I think this is a great start to the summer because summer is on its way. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. All right, y'all. So I'm done eating. It was good. I'm walking my happy self. I was about to curse, but I'm gonna work on that because this is what they call it, a family network. But yeah, I had a good time. That little 1 cup of Prosecco had me. I'm in Miami. That's how I feel right now. Because that's where I'm supposed to be at on a fucking yacht. Not here walking the NY streets with y'all. I'm supposed to be making my way downtown, walking fast. But I don't be doing that. I need to get... One day, I'm going to be looking back at this video like, remember Kashima when you didn't know if this was gonna go anywhere, if anybody was gonna think it was interesting, and somebody thinks it's interesting. That tree was pretty. I'll be appreciating stuff like that. Like, the tree looks pretty. That was nice. That was a nice tree. Here comes another one, but not as nice as the other one. I'm sorry. That one I just passed was really nice. I feel so full. All right, y'all. Well, I'm on 2nd Avenue right now. I feel like, yeah, this ain't the right way. I feel like I gotta turn around. Because last time I was walking up. Is it going down? Okay, because it should be going down. I think it's going down. All right, y'all, BRB. Right? Look at that profile. It's the profile, and then it's another one right here. Right? What white people are gonna do is always make sure they mind your business. Cause I've been working. I just want to try to admire the work that I've been putting in. Cause I've been getting this summer body ready in privacy. Just want to let y'all know that.